Kirtanam, singing the glories of Bhagwan and manifesting it in our own lives. Archanam, worshipping the Lord in all His glories, recognizing the greatness and the glory of the Lord. These are the three aspects that we have seen in the days that we have. Morning was Archanam, and before that was Shravanam and Kirtanam. Hanumanji is an all-time favorite form of God. Universal appeal. There is no one who doesn't love Hanumanji. He is the most dear, adorable form of the Lord. But remember, God is one, okay? This is a particular form of God which is completely adorable. Your Ishtadev may be Shiva or Krishna or Rama, it doesn't matter, but Hanumanji you all love, and all of them have a very special place for Hanumanji. And remember, Hanumanji is Chirajivi, present at all times. When the Rajyabhishek happened, and then afterwards when Bhagwan Ramji said, now it is time for me to wind up everything and go back to Saket Lok. Everyone from Ayodhya was taken by Bhagwan. Can you imagine the whole population of Ayodhya? Everyone. Hanumanji had chosen to stay with Bhagwan Rama. So Bhagwan said, okay, you pack up your bag. We are leaving. Everyone gets to go to Saket. He says, I'm not coming. Hanumanji, who wanted to stay with Bhagwan all the time, he says, I'm not coming. He said, but what will you do? What will you do when you are on this earth? He says, I have a lot of occupation. I'm going to be a busy person and I'm going to do something I just love to do. And what is that? I will listen to Ram Katha. I will listen to Ram Kirtan. I will be wherever there is Ram Katha going on. I will be there. And when we say Ram Katha, it means Bhagwan Katha. You understand? It doesn't mean Ram as Ram only. It means wherever there is satsang going on, wherever the glory of the Lord is being sung, Hanumanji is always there. So therefore, right now, all of us, when they do Ram Katha, especially they have a seat for Hanuman. Is it true or not? Are you aware? So now here you have this most beautiful seat with all the Hanumanji. You have invoked Hanumanji in this, right? So we have Hanumanji over here already. We are invoking him right now over here. And how will we invoke him? With the singing of Hanuman Chalisa, because he loves that, he loves. And let's start straight away.
Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raja Nija Mana Mukur Sudhare.
Everyone keep your eyes closed. Don't look at anyone. Don't worry about who is singing. The person is not important. Singing is important. Close your eyes. Or look at Hanuman.
Buddhihin tanu janike Sumira Pavan Kumar Bal Buddhi Vidya Dehu Muhi Harahu Kalesh Vikar. Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar Jai Kapis Tihu Loka Ujagar Ram Dut Tulit Bal Dhama Anjani Putra Pavan Sut Nama Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi Kanchan Varana Viraj Subesa Kanan Kundal Kuchit Kesa Haath Vajra aur Dhwaja Viraj Kane Mudad Devu Saj Shankar Suvan Kesari Nandan Tej Pratap Mahajagavanya Vidyavan Guniyati Chatur Ram Kaj Karive Ko Atur Prabhu Charitra Sunive Ko Rasiya Ram Lakhan Sita Man Vasiya Sukshma Rupa Dhari Siyahi Dikhawa Vikat Rupa Dhari Lang रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मन प्रिय भरत सम भाई। सहस्र बदन तुम रोजस गावे, हस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहीसा। यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीना, राम मिलाय राजपद दीना। तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। युग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मिलित माहि, जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाहि। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाँकते कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुमरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुवर पुर जाए, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाए। और देवता चीतन धरई, हनुमत से सब सुख करे। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटे बंदी महासुख होय। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय मम डेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय।
Loudly please, the jai should be such that the hall comes down. Sadgurunath Maharaj ki. Bhagwan Hanumanji remembered Ramji at all times. And for him, if something did not have Ram in it, it was senseless, meaningless in life. Once, Sita ji, in all joy, presented Hanumanji with a mala. You all know the story. A beautiful pearl mala. Something that Ramji had given to her. So many sentiments were there, and she presented. Very happy with her, and she presented it to him. And you know what he did? What did he do? He bit on each pearl, chewed it, and threw it out. Bit one, and she says, my favorite mala gone. What is he doing? In her mind said, this typical monkey chap. True to his form, his behavior. What is this? I am giving him this most precious mala. It's invaluable. What are you doing, Hanumanji? Hanumanji said, Mata, I am checking out to see if Ram is there in this. If it has got any essence in it. This becomes valuable if there is God in it. The God tattva in it. As the present day they say, God particle. Does it have that? If it doesn't have that, it's useless. For me, smaranam means remembering God, means seeing His presence everywhere. You understand? Smaranam just not remembering. Anything that you see, you remember. That's exactly what you do when you go to the temple, and then you take the kumkum or the chandan from the feet of the Lord and you put it here. This is the center for smaranam, memory. So when you forget, what do you do? This is what you do. Isn't it true? Why here and why not? What do? You do this. Why? This is the memory. So that is why Hindus, all of us, what do? We put. What does it mean? That feet of the Lord, the glory of the Lord, may I remember this all through the day. Smaranam. Now I may forget that I have put tika, but when I see that kumkum in you, what happens? I remember. I remember that I too have taken this chandan or kumkum from the feet of the Lord, and I too shall keep you. So I see, I remember, and I see His presence everywhere. This is smaranam. So Hanumanji was expert in remembering the Lord. All through, anything he started, he remembered. And that is why in our culture, whenever we meet people, what do? Jai Siya Ram, Hari Om, Radhe Radhe. If you go to Vrindavan, Radhe Radhe. Isn't it true? So remembering the Lord before you eat your food, before you go to sleep, as you wake up, a typical Gujarati family, Jai Shri Krishna. Isn't it? All through the day, Jai Shri Krishna. So this is called smaranam. And this is what he did all the time. Smaranam. Remember the Lord. So we too, singing the Hanuman Chalisa, will remember this aspect of Hanumanji and say, Bhagwan, please bless us with your type of smaranam.
Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raja Nij Man Mukur Sudhare Siyara Barnau Raghuvar Vimal Jasha Jodayak Palchare Siyara Buddhihin Tanu Jani Ke Sumiro Pavan Kumar Siyara Bal Buddhi Vidya Deho Mohi Harhu Kalesh Vikar Siyara Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar Jai Kapi Siti Gulok Ujagar Ram Dut Atulit Baladhama Anjani Putra Pavan Sutanama Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi Kanchan Baran Viraj Subesa Kanan Kundal Kunjit Kesa Hath Vajra Aur Dhwaja Viraje Kane Kundal Kunju Saje Shankar Suvan Ke सहिबे को आतुर, प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया, सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा, भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे, लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए, रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई, सहस्र बदन तुमरो यश गावे, अस गई श्रीपति कंठ लगावे, सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिसा, यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते, तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना, राम मिलाए राजपद दीना, तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना, सहस्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताई मधुर बल जान, प्रभु मुद्रिका मेरी मुख मारी, जल दिलांगी गए अचरज नारी, दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे देते, राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे, सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना, आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाँकते कापे, भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जगत नाम सुनावे, नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा, संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे, सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमिल जीवन पल पावे, चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा, साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे, अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, यशवर दीन जानकी माता, राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा, तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे, अंत काल रघुवर पुर जाय, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई, और देवता चितन धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई, संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलवीरा, जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई, जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटे बंदी महासुख होय, जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सीति साखी गौरीसा, तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय माडेरा, पवन तनय संकट हरना, मंगल मूर्ति रूप सियारा, राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप सियावर, रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरु
सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। श्रवणम कीर्तनम विष्णु स्मरणम पाद सेवनम. Why do we touch the feet of a great man or God? Why don't we touch the head and do namaskar? Why do we always touch the feet? What does that mean? We touch the feet of a person because we stand on our feet and not on our head. Some of you can manage Shirsasana, but for a very, very short time. So when we say Pada Sevanam, it means what? That we are worshipping the great values and the qualities that you stand for, that you stand on, that makes you great. I worship and I serve your feet because you stand for all these great values. The first time Hanumanji met Bhagwan Ram, you all know the story, and Bhagwan had been walking for a long time. And then Hanumanji finally says, I am Hanumanji, the Dut of, that time he was the minister of who? Sugriva. And Sugriva is in a lot of trouble, etc., etc. All this conversation happened. Bhagwan said, okay, let's go to meet Sugriva. And at that time, you all know this most touching and this most sweet thing that Bhagwan Hanumanji did. What did he do? He says, you have walked for a long time. Komala Padagami. You have been going in the forest. Imagine Bhagwan Ramji is the king of Ayodhya. Never stepped on anything which is hard or harsh in his life. And he's been walking in the forest for so long. And Hanumanji said, oh Lord, you must be tired. He says, no, it's okay. No. Give me this wonderful opportunity to what? Do Pada Sevanam. And what did he do? He lifted. Can you imagine his strength? Atulita Baladhamam. One shoulder, Hanumanji, and the other shoulder, Ramji and the other shoulder. This is called Pada Sevanam. Thinking about, oh, what a difficult time they must have had, and how can I serve? Not Pada Sevanam directly, There's another wonderful person who did Pada Sevanam in the most glorious way. And who was that? Kevat. You remember Kevat? Smart guy that he was. He said, Bhagavan, I won't allow you to step on my boat. But Bhagavan said, why? I'm going to pay you for it. He says, no, you have a very bad reputation. Bhagavan said, what happened? What did I do? He says, your feet and the dust of your feet are so powerful that one stone turned into a lady. Now I have one boat and one wife. And if you make my boat into another lady, I have trouble all the way. From my wife, and I have no profession then to live by. I'm not allowing you. I'm going to wash your feet. See, look at the way the bhaktas try to get Pada Sevanam. Hanumanji also said, I'm not allowing you to walk. No, I want to do Pada Sevanam. So he lifted. It's the most beautiful scene of them going. See, Bhagwan lifts all of us, right? He uplifts us. He lifts us. Uddhared atmanatmanam, they say for a bhakta. But Bhagwan said, Tesham aham samuddharta. Mrityu sansara sagar. It is said in the 12th chapter of the Gita that Bhagwan lifts everyone from the what? Mrityu sansar. And here Hanumanji is lifting whom? What a fortunate guy, isn't it true? So to that Hanumanji we shall pray for all his lovely Pada Sevanam that he got a chance to do. Once more, Hanuman Chalisa.
Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhar Barno Raghuvar Vimal Jash Jodayak Palchari Buddhihin Tanu Jani Ke Sumiro Pavan Kumar Bal Buddhi Vidya Deho Muhi Harhu Kalesh Vikar Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar Jai Kapis Ki Guno Jagar Ram Dut अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन वरण विराज सुबेसा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा। हाथ वज्र ध्वजा विराजे, काने मूज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जियारे, श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए। रघुपति की बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मन प्रिय भरत सम भाई। सहस्र वदन तुमरो जस गावे, हस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहीसा। यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना, राम मिलाए राजपद दीना। तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस जो जन पर भानु, लियो ताई मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका में कुमाई, जल दिलांगी गए अचरज नाई। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे देते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षत काहू को करना। आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाँकते कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जुलावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, इनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाए, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चेतन धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट हटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलवीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। तो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटे बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय मम डेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरना, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय।
सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। श्रवणं कीर्तनं विष्णु स्मरणं पादसेवनम् archanam, worshipping. Today morning we saw worship is what? Offering with a special power. There's something special that happens. Love, respect, faith all come together, and the attitude in your heart is called worshipful attitude. And when we worship, we start offering. We want to give something. Now, this is very interesting. Bharat loved Ramji. Lakshmana loved Ramji. Each one's love for Ram excels. No? Sita ji, you can't imagine the love that she had. Dashrath Maharaj gave his life for Ramji. All of them. But none of them have a temple of theirs. Is it true? Where they are worshipped. We don't have a Bharat temple. We don't. If we have Bharatji, it will always be with Ramji, not a separate temple, not a independent temple. See, in Ramji's temple, Bharatji will be there, Lakshmana will be there, everyone will be there. But in Hanumanji's temple, it can be all alone. Sorry. No, who? Ramji is there. No one else, independently. You can have a Hanuman temple even without Ganapati temple. Is it true or not? No one. He stands independent. So someone said that this is not right. The Bhakta of the Ram gets the same, Bhakta of God gets the same importance as God. So some people get very sentimental about it and says, no, this is not right. There are many people who believe that you should not worship human beings. Yes or not? God you must worship, but never, you must not touch the people of people. Because they are after all people. They are not God. You should not worship anyone but God. Have you heard that one? Some of you believe that? We forget when we speak all these things that God is in the heart of all of us. Isn't it true? We forget. And who better to remind us that God is in the heart of all of us than Hanumanji? When someone asks him, where's your God and how come you are being worshipped all alone? He says, you don't know where he is? I'll show you. And you know what he did? You all know. He cut open his heart and who was there? You understand? This is what makes bhaktas worshipful. They see the Lord in everyone. The Lord in me is the Lord in everyone. This is called real archana. To be able to worship, not just in an idol, but later to be able to see that Lord whom we have invoked in the idol, in the hearts of everyone. And very often, when we try to see them, we forget that He is also in, where? Our heart. Never forget the Lord in our heart. Anya Tirtham, Baddha, people go to Anya Tirtham, but Atma Tirtham Vismriti. We forget that what? The Atma Tirtham is there, right here within us. Hanumanji always kept that Lord in his heart and he worshipped. And then Siya Ram mein sab jagajani. He saw Siya Ram everywhere, knowing that he's also in my heart. This is called Archanam. What are we doing? The body is like a temple. And in that temple, who is there? That Paramatma is. How do you worship him? Soham, that Paramatma I am. Soham bhavena pujayet, tyajet ajnana nirmalyam. Remove the nirmalya of ajnana, of ignorance, and worship him in your heart and the heart of everyone. This is a beautiful form of worship. Now remember that Hanumanji, along with Sita Ram. See, if you keep Hanuman in your heart, now there's a great advantage. What? Because he comes as a package deal. Because with him comes who? Sita, Ram, everyone, all of them come straight away into your heart. So therefore, keep Hanumanji in your heart and remember, let's sing the Hanuman Chalisa.
Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhari Barno Raghuvar Bimal Jash Jodayak Falchari बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा बिराजे काने मुंडल कुंचित साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मन प्रिय भरत सम भाई सहस्र बदन तुम रोजस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित ईसा यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कभी कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव कीना राम मिलाय राजपद दीना तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्र योजन पर मानु लियो ताहि मधुर बल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका में मुख माही जल दिलांगी गए अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे तेते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज संहारो आपे तीनों लोक हाँकते कापे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके साज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे चारों जुग पर साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असुर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुमरे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुवरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चेत न धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करे। संकट हटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटे बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सीधी साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, विजय नाथ हृदय मम डेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप सियारा। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभु। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय।
सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। श्रवणं कीर्तनं विष्णु, स्मरणं पादसेवनम्, अर्चनं वंदनं दास्यं। Vandanam. Who becomes deserving of Vandan means namaskar? Who? Vishnu Sahasranama says something beautiful. Says, Amani manado manyah. Amani manatah manyah. One who has no mana, abhimana. One who is humble. He himself does not have abhimana, but he gives mana, honor and respect to everyone. Amani manadaha. He is not pride. He doesn't have pride, but he gives a lot of respect and honor to everyone. Then he becomes respectful and honorable and worshipful, and we do namaskar to him. What a strange thing. If someone says, everyone do namaskar to me, that way you get namaskar. That is. But if you are amani and you do mana to others, then automatically the whole world what? It respects you. So Hanumanji, because is completely humble, isn't it true? And that is why he makes very good dasya, a very good dasa. A dasa has to be humble. If you have an arrogant servant, he won't serve first of all. You will have to serve him. Pride. Why should I? And the first thing a dasa has to do is what? Give up his ego. And Hanumanji is humility personified, isn't it? He does everything, but he says, I do nothing. It is only Bhagwan Ram who does. I don't do anything. He is true to his name, Pavanaputra. Right now, all of us are surviving because Pavan Devata is serving you all the time. Isn't it true? You don't even know his presence. You're not even aware of the vital role he's playing in your life. Isn't it? Right now, if Pavanji said, I'm going, then what will happen? This is such a lot of beautiful service now. This is so nice. See, when Pavan, the wind is behind you, it pushes you forward, isn't it? And when it's in front of you, there's a lot of resistance. It's difficult. So, what does Hanumanji also do? He stays what? He doesn't come in the forefront and No. He's behind. And he's supporting us in such a vital way that only when he is not there, you notice he is not there. Till that time, we don't even know. This is what the characteristic of a das must be. So Hanumanji is a perfect what? Candidate for Vandanam and a wonderful dasa. That is why Rama Duta, even as the Duta of Rama, as the ambassador and the messenger of Rama, he did beautiful. Many times the ambassador or the messenger will add his own marchi, mithu marchu to the message. But he never did that. He says, this is the message. This is. So excellent sevak. No sevak better than Hanumanji. So if we want to have this wonderful quality, become Vandanam and become, worthy of Vandana and become a worthy dasa, we should do what? Pray to Hanumanji. So let's now pray again.
Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raja Nijaman Mukur Sudhare Barno Raghuvar Vimal Jasha Jodayak Falchari बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या दे हो मोहि हर कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरन विराज सुबेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा हाथ वज्र ध्वजा विराजे कान्हे मूज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करि बेको वातुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता वन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियारे श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मन प्रिय भरत सम पाई सहस वदन तुम रोजस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहीसा यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीना राम मिलाय राजपद दीना तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु प्रभु मूर्तिका मेली मुख माही जलधि आदि गए अचरज नाई दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते धाम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज समारो आपे तीनों लोक हांकते कापे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा जप जप निरंतर हनुमत वीरा, संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारो भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुवर पुर जाय, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाय। और देवता चीतन धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटे ही बंदी महासुख होई। जो यहाँ पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सीधी साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय डेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय।
सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। श्रवणं कीर्तनं विष्णु, स्मरणं पादसेवनम्, अर्चनं वंदनं दास्यं, सख्यम. Sakhyam, the attitude of friendship. Hanumanji never wanted to be anyone's friend. He preferred to be the das. But yet he did the role of a friend beautifully for Sugriva. A friend is such who will make you meet good people, not take you to bad company. And what Sugriva milaye, isn't it? He said, "O Sugriva, you should meet nothing, no other than Rama. Take him to the path of good." Many times you have friends who take you away from મંદિરે જાય છે, ગાંડો થઈ ગયો છે, આ ઉંમર મંદિરે જવાય. But here he said, and not only he didn't take Sugriv to God, he brought God to, my God, this is really something, isn't it? He brought Bhagavan and said, "Please, my friend, please come and meet my friend. Special blessings for my friend. He is in need of you. You come." And then when his friend misbehaved, you know what happened, na? Sugriva, Bhagavan Ramji did Sugriv's work and got him the kingdom. And then Bhagavan was so kind, he said, "Okay, fine, enjoy for a little time. Then you have to do my work, which is to find Sita ji." Right? And he forgot. So who is a good friend? Well, he reminded him. He says, no, look. Lakshman ji got so angry. Lakshman ji said, "I am," you all know the story. That Sugriva, selfish fellow that he is, he got his work done, and now that is what happens to us also. I know of a lady who had promised that I will go to Tirupati, and if my daughter gets married, I will give my hair over there. A Gujarati lady, very rare for a Gujarati lady to make this type of a vow. But she did. She was staying in south of India. So she went, her daughter got married. Then now she had to do what? Give away her hair in Tirupati. She went to Tirupati also. Then she said, no, this I can't do. So what happened? She took a dip in the pond over there. You're supposed to, take your hair out and then dip in the pond and then go and do darshan. So she said, that part I'm not doing, the other part I will do. So when she dipped in the pond, all her hair came out. She herself told me this. Bhagavan said, my side I did, now you side, your side. So Hanumanji is like that. Sugriv forgot. Hanumanji said, don't, you are going to get into trouble. First, he brought Bhagavan into his life. What a great thing. This is the type of friends we need in life, who bring God into our life and remind us to keep Him in our life, to serve God. Don't we need such friends? This great friend, Sakhyam. Now let us also try to get, be fortunate enough to get people like Hanumanji in our life, who bring God into our life and remind us time and again to serve God. Let's sing.
Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Ani Nij Man Mukur Sudha Baranau Raghuvar Vimal Yasha Jodhayak Falchai Buddhiheen Tanu Chanike Sumiro Pavan Kumar Bala Buddhi Vidya Devu Mohi Harahu Kale Shabikha Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar Jai Kapis Deep Lok Ujagar Ram Dutta Atulit Vardhama Anjali Bhut Pavan Sut Rama Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi Kanchan Bharan Viraj Subesha Kanan Kundan Kunchit Kesha Hath Vajra Aur Gaja Viraj Kaadhe Bhood Jane Usaj Shankar Suvanesari Nandan Teja Pratap Mahajagvandan Vidyavan Guri Atichar Ram Kaj Karibe Tovar Prabhu Charit Sunibe Ko Rasiya Ram Lakhan Sita Manvasiya Sukshma Rupa Dhari Siya Idikava Vikat Rupa Dhari Lanka Jarava Bhima Rupa Dhari Asura Samhare Ramchandra Ke Kaj Samare Naye Sajeevan Lakhan Jivaye Shri Raghuveer Har Shur Naye Raghupati Ki Bahut Badaye Tum Man Priya Bharat Samabhaye Sas Vadan Tumaro Yash Gave Has Gahi Shripati Kant Lagave Sankadik Brahmadi Munisa Narad Sarad Saita Isa Yama Kuber Digapal Jahate Kabhi Kovid Gai Sake Kaate Tumay Upakar Subhivari Kina Ram Milaye Aaj Padadina Tumaro Manta Vibhishan Mana Lankeshwar Bhay Sab Jag Jaan Yuga Sasajo Jan Parvaan Dilo Tai Madhura Palajanu Prabhu Dika Me Mukhaman Jala नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम भजन जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा, हे प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुमरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारो भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुवरपुर जाय, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाय। और देवता चेतन धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट हरे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ करे कोई, छूटे बंदी महासुख होय। जो यहाँ पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय महडेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरणं, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय।
बोलो सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। श्रवणं कीर्तनं विष्णु, स्मरणं पादसेवनम्, अर्चनं वन्दनं दास्यं, सख्यम् आत्मनिवेदनम्। Atmanivedanam, surrendering oneself completely. What do we understand by surrendering oneself completely? Giving up our own personal likes and dislikes and living according to the will of the Lord. So everything that I do to please the Lord. I live by His will, for Him, in Him. Everything that I do is a worship of Him. And my thought is always what will make Him happy, not what will make me happy. There's this most sweet, charming story. When Bhagavan Ramji was coronated and he was living in Ayodhya happily, ruling as the king of Ayodhya, Hanumanji had decided to stay with them. He says, they are my mother and father, I'm not going anywhere, I'm staying with them. So one day, Sita ji, in the evening, was getting dressed. So you know how children are, they keep roaming around, especially they love all that makeup of their mothers, that they, mess around with that a lot. So Hanumanji was hanging around, Sita ji was getting dressed, and she was putting on her makeup, she made her hair, everything, and then she put what? So Hanumanji is asking, Mataji, Sita ji, why did you do that? So instead of making all this long story of Saubhagyavati, this, that and all, she says, to make Rama happy. To make Ramji happy, I'm doing this. He's very pleased, when you do this, so I'm doing it for that. Hanumanji said, you just do this much and Bhagavan is happy? Not bad. So I'm also. So when she went away, all the makeup was right there. So he said, okay, fine. And he looked at himself, very happy with himself. Then he thought, Bhagwan Ram loves Sita ji so much. She puts only one of them, one tika, and he loves her so much. He's so happy with her. If I put two, he will be double happy. Okay, fine, let's do that. But where do I put now? So he said, it's a good balance, let's put it here. And then he said, look, adhikasya adhikam phalam. The more you do, the more you get. So let's really make him happy, okay? And let him be so pleased with me, so pleased with me. So he went around. What? He really went wild about it. Then he says, instead of doing one dot at a time, why can't I take the whole sindoor? No, she had put the sindoor and all that here. This is why one place and all that. Oh, big let. He took the whole thing and he was mighty pleased with himself. He's saying, now Bhagwan is going to love me. Why? If he can just that one little thing she does and puts over here, he's so happy now. And then, he was waiting outside, how children are, they wait outside, daddy's coming. So, Bhagwan Ramji. And he is like, he's trying to show, Ramji looked at Hanuman. Kya ho gaya? Normally, parents, the children are kept nice and neat and clean and all that, Especially now, daddy's coming, come on, you have to do your homework, be good boys and all that, etc. And here is this Hanumanji all dancing away with all this. So he went inside and says, what's wrong with Hanuman today? What happened? What's he doing? Then Sita ji said, she told the whole story of how, he's saying, he asked me, he says, just to make you happy. He just wants to please you. That's all. He has no will. He will do anything. Just to make you happy, he will do anything. His entire life is only meant what? To please you. Hanumanji says, okay, that's the idea. So he went out and says, come here, Hanumanji. I love you so much. I love Sita, but after all, she just does. You, give him a big hug. And Hanumanji, life is fulfilled. You understand? Tuma mama priya bharata samahi bhai. How much he loved. And he says, no, I love all of them, but I love you the most. They are all related, that is why they do for me. But you, someone special. Atma Nivedanam, giving himself all, no will or wish of my own. Thy shall be done, not mine. It is your will alone that works. It is to please you alone that I live. This is called Atma Nivedanam. So the last time we will chant Hanuman. Last time means not last time for now. Ghare jain karjo pachi. The seventh time, the last time. Jo Satabara. Satabara could mean 7 times. It could mean Shatabara, 100 times. So if you have time, then do Shatabara. Otherwise, Satabara. Otherwise, Ek Bar. Ek bar, bar, Hari Naam bhajore. If not anything, at least once you do this. Now let's, with all bhava, surrendering ourselves completely, just Bhagwan, just to make you happy, bas. Not normally I have a wish list all the time hanging behind. No. This last one time is just to make you happy. I'm not asking anything. Okay? For once, don't ask anything. Don't say, I want this, I want... No. Why? Why am I doing it? Just to make you happy. Bas. No other reason. Okay? With all love, sing. Okay?
Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raja Nija Mana Mukur Sudhare Barno Raghuvar Vimal Jash Jodayak Falchare बुद्धिहीन तनु जानी के सुमिरा पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु हरहु कलेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन वरण विराज सुबेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा। हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराज कान्हे मूंज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जलावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाय सजीवन लखन जियारे श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई। सहस्र वदन तुम रोयस गावे हस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहीसा। जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना राम मिलाए रजपद दीना। तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। युगसहस्र योजन पर भानु लीलो ताई मधुर बल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाहि। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे जेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लगे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपत तेज समारो आपे तीनों लोक हाथ दे कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा जिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि दे दाता असवर जीत जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुमरो भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुवर पुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्तन धरई हनुमत से सर्व सुख करे। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो 7 बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई। जो यहाँ पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय मम डेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरण, मंगल मूर्ति रूप सिया राम। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय।
सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Invoking the divinity in us, and that too singing, always goes fast. If we had to do this all alone, so many times kantalo aave, isn't it? So many things like that happen. But when we remember the God all together in a congregational singing, it has a different feeling altogether. Today morning we did Archanam, and today we did in the evening Kirtanam, singing of the Hanuman Chalisa. And this beautiful feeling that you have in your hearts, please carry it and give it to others. Now we will do our arati, our regular arati that we do, and after the arati we take prasad and go. When you go out,